Hi everyone guys, so it's me here, it's Shotoken XT. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's guys, mag-show and tell lang ko for today. Dayon, I am going to speak English and Bisaya. So if you want to watch this video, and please subscribe to my channel so I can make another videos about action figures, normal videos, and cosplay videos, and also anime. Because this YouTube channel is for all of ages, pero pwede pang kids mag-watch ka about yung mga videos about yung show and tell na stuff I have here, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So let's do this guys muna. So do you love Marvel comics and you love Marvel movies and you love Marvel action figures? So guys, so na ako'y own na kanang action figure gyud na I buy on Toy Biz. My first na action figure I ever bought, it's a good character. Pero ako ipakita lang ko ninyo to all of everyone, and I'm going to show you to all of everyone. So I am going to show you my first superhero character I ever bought. Before I show you with my action figure, I wanted to shout out to Kuan Biabay sa mga cos friends na ko dito sa cosplay event. They're very friendly. And then tapos kanang gusto lang gid ko mo matukog next event on Psycon this 2025 in next Saturday. Kaya on Sunday, mag-appeal ko sa cosplay contest again sa, sa SMC side. Tanaw lang ako dito. Okay. So, I wanted to show you something about, my own action figure. And this is gonna be the best action figure I ever bought. So, yeah, here it is.
Let's unbox this 2005 Toy Biz Cyclops. Here's a closer look at the back of the box. And we actually have the X Factor version of Cyclops, which is pretty cool. All of the figures in this series build the Sentinel, which would be an awesome Build-A-Figure to have at some point. The accompanying comic is the Uncanny X-Men 201. Here's Mr. Summers, and my first piece of the Sentinel Build-A-Figure. And he actually came with a stand, which blew my mind. Like, get it together, Hasbro. That's crazy. In classic Toy Biz fashion, we have toe articulation, finger articulation, and just overall, really solid articulation. Really cool figure to add to the collection. One day I'll have that Sentinel built, and we'll add him to the collection as well. Let's finish the video off with some poses.
Okay, so I'm always love this action figure I bought, but kanang this one is kanang the toy I bought here cost about 300 pesos. I bought in a Toffee-Con, but once ko nakabay ko ng this toy, but kanang this one is kanang a perfect toy. But look at this at the back now, kay yung paint na wash out na siguro ni. And then yeah, I buy this in the Toffee-Con, but for me my reaction is I'm always loved Cyclops. I'm fan of Scott Summers from X-Men. Yung Cyclops is kanang he can use like optic blast using his eyes, pero ang nasa yung kamot kay makakuan giga mabend ang nasa figurines like this. This is since 2005 na ni siya guys, and this is the perfect toy I ever bought. But you can see at the back mo ni ang kanang yung stand, pero nara day ang nasa ubos. But you can see at this kanbya yung figure gid akong gibay gud kay himon ako ni for me as my collection, and then pwede na ko himon as a fidget toy. But this toy is kanang kanbya na siya by si Scott Summers kay he can shoot the optic laser blast using his eyes. Yung pose kay I can do like this. So okay, I can do like this, dayon do like that. And there you have it. And it's perfect. This one magaya siya good, pero ano naman siya. Ana dapat, or I'll just gotta do like this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna supposed to do that. So ayun na lang, sa head na lang. Okay. So yeah, I just do like this kay it means kay ready na siya mag-shoot og laser on his eyes. Ana siya Tapos pag gumanda yun, dayon ready na itira ang kanang yang laser eyes sa mga evil mutants. Yung characters akong ginonon ko sa X-Men kay sina Magneto, which is siyang the strongest mutant in X-Men, pero na-turn naman siya karon into hero sa amot lang sa Doomsday. Pero pag tanaw ko niya, villain man good na siya before good si si Magneto. Pero let me tell you something about Magneto kay kanang about kay Magneto is kanang ang backstory niya is kay si Magneto mo kuan siya bay kana mag-create siya kana mga kuan bay a lot of army of mutants para ma-conquer niya ang humans what they did to us. Kaya alang kay humans hates mutants kasi Magneto ang plano niya is kay kuan niya kay dapat i-conquer niya ang kanang kuan bay ang human race kay kanang revenge man ang Magneto sa humans kay is because of humans hates mutants and kuan biya bay he's gaining stronger kay kanang humans dili man siya mag kuan bay kana mag-peace sila sa between mutants kay di siya ganan og kuan bay kanang humans sa mutants kay kabaw kan wala sila born with superpowers kay naselo sila kay naman sila power gyud. So that's why nanong kuan gyud nanong human lives gyud na sila. Pero kabaw na ko sa backstory ni Magneto kay namatay ang mama kay gunshot tong murag some kind like Russian or Germany, Russian guy. Nalimot ko kinsa to. Si umot lang. si kanto rin basta. So, yeah, moto Magneto and naagi ko yung mga favorite characters akong ganahan. So, okay, check na to dilipit sa kwan sa kwan ba? See we got here. Toy Biz X-Men. Okay. Katong Marvel Legends good. Marvel Legends X-Men. Oh, there he is, guys. Na siya plenty of collection but I prefer Magneto ganang kuan niya kay he's so strong. Pero na good naman siya karon kay ganan ako siya choose na ko as my first favorite villain character on X-Men. Then na si Wolverine. Didot ba kay si Wolverine adto. Then I prefer like kanang yung nasa collection. Pero pag tanaw nimo sa kuan at the kuan bay. It's so cool. Whoops. And there you have it, guys. Morning kanang Okay. Morning guys about isa man to. Okay, never mind. Wala na to Brag na gikan sa sapas gawas. Okay. Mora ni ang kanang nasa kuan bay ang toy. And then I'm going to keep it. So mora to guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time in the next vid. Sorry guys.